let's talk about how you can log onto your MetaTrader 5 account and connect it with your Deriv account. Alright, so after logging into your Deriv account, which you can access by going on to app.deriv.com, you got where it says CFDs, then you choose the respective MT5 that you want to trade. So if you want to trade CFDs on derived and financial instruments, you can come and click get here. If you want to trade financials like your major and other Forex instruments, you can come here. Then this one is a special Deriv account, which is called a swap free account. Then they have a gold account and a zero spread account. So now let's say you want to come and get started with the standard account. You can come and set your preferred Deriv password. Maybe let's say this is my preferred password. I come and click create account and done. My Deriv MT5 account is ready to use. I can come and click continue. Alright, then for me to connect it with my MT5 account, I simply have to come and click on open. Then here I can see my credentials, which are the broker that I'm supposed to be using, the server, the login ID, then the password. Here you can click forgot if you've forgotten the password. Okay, so you can trade on MT5 on web or on Windows or on Mac or on Linux, or you can get it on any of these app stores. That's on Apple App Store, on Google Play Store, and on Huawei App Gallery. You simply scan this code with your phone. Okay, so now let's say I want to use it on my MetaTrader 5 account that I've downloaded. So I simply have to reduce this, then click the open. Then I come and access my MT5 account. Then here I come, here it says broker. I have to use this broker, which is deriv.com limited. So I have to come and choose Deriv. Okay, then you have to look for the respective Deriv, because some may be instructed to use Deriv SVG LLC, but here on my case is the deriv.com server. Then here you have to toggle between demo or Deriv server or Deriv test real, depending on these credentials that you'll be seeing. So my server is Deriv demo, and this is my login ID. So here my server is okay. I'll leave it as it is. Here I'll have to come and enter my ID, then here my password. Okay, this is my password. Then here just come and copy your login ID. This is my ID. Then boom, I've signed in and I'm in. I can start trading. Like you can see now here, these are charts that are these are codes here on my left, the charts here. I can start making some trades. Yeah, here I've placed the buy. This is just a demo account for you to see what's happening. Here you can see that now I'm able to place a trade. Okay, so that's how you can connect your Deriv account with your MetaTrader 5 account. If you're using a phone, the steps are the same. Just follow the same steps that I've shown you. And let me know if you have any questions. Please drop a comment. If you need any specific video that you need me to do for you, that you may need to be taught about concerning Deriv, please feel free as well to drop a comment. Thank you for your time. Please do remember to sign up for Deriv as your preferred broker. They have the lowest spreads. They now have a zero spread account, and they do have a whole lot of other suites. Like this is the zero trade, zero spread account. They have a gold account. They have a whole set of other suites, and there are specific suites that you can make use of here. Thank you for your time. Goodbye for now.